Okay, we're going to try this 8S. So here's all of my cluster of 6 1365C Turnigys, 3 in parallel and then 2 of the sets in series. There's my series connector there. So let's see how she rumbles. You see the crack? I'm gonna have to find a way to clean up those cables. Let's try and land gently. Okay, with the FPV. Yeah. Oh. Okay. The power was just too much for me. Batteries came off, and did I break? Oh, I bent 2 arms. Oh, hopefully this motor is okay, but I broke a prop. Damn it. Okay. That was epic.
That was epic.
So 2 new arms and a prop.
That's fine.
Motors are cool.
This motor's fine.
Yeah.
The prop loosened, so it's cool.
The prop's loose, yeah?
Yeah. So it didn't burn out the motor.
Okay. And everything else is okay. Well,
Arms took the brunt.
The arm took the brunt, I'm glad. It just crumpled the arm. Crumpled. Well, that was exciting.
No other damage whatsoever.
Yeah, alright, well, batteries are okay.
Lucky you found a good source for those arms.
Yeah, batteries are okay, bit warm.
Yeah, this was warm.
Yeah, it's definitely warm. I've got to change I've got new connectors, so I'll change all the connectors to 8mm bullets or XD90s. Alright, back to the drawing board.